بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Recite Quran. So in this lesson we will be learning the first two lines of the Qaidah. So follow me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف ألف با با تا تا ثا ثا ba, alif, ba, ta and sa. These three letters have the same shape, but the difference is the dots. So ba has one dot down, ta has two dot up, and sa has three dot up. This is the difference between these three letters. So you should concentrate on the dots. Next one is Jeem. Jeem. Ha. Ha. Again ha from the middle throat. Kha. Kha from the upper throat. So these three letters also have the same shape, but Jim has one dot down, Ha has no dot, and Kha has one dot up. This Ha is pronouncing from the middle throat, and this Kha is pronouncing from the upper throat. So this is the difference between Ha and Kha. Dal. Next one is Dal. Good. We'll repeat it again. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal. Good. So this is enough for today. Inshallah, see you next time. Until Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.